Wow! So many birds!
Hello, MJ. How are you, my dear?
Grandma, I'm glad you're here. I want to show you something.
Wow, how wonderful!
Isn't that amazing, Grandma? I wonder what kind of birds they are and where they are flying.
MJ, it's great that you're so curious. Those birds are pelicans, and they are flying across many countries.
But why, Grandma?
Now that it's getting a little bit colder here, they are flying to warmer countries. The pelican is an amazing bird. Come, let me show you some more interesting things about the pelican.
Wow, Grandma! There are so many pelicans in the lake.
That's right. There are a lot of pelicans. They live in large flocks and come to fish in pools and lakes.
They're having so much fun floating on the water. Look, Grandma, they've made a circle.
That's wonderful. That is how they catch fish.
How do they catch fish?
You see, they make a circle and put their beaks into the water and catch the fish with their beaks.
But why do they raise their wings like that?
They raise their wings so they won't get wet.
They look like ballet dancers.
Ballet dancers?
Yes! I once saw a performance with beautiful ballerinas. Look at me! Don't I look the same?
You're dancing beautifully. Now turn around.
Thank you. Can I see some more pelicans?
Of course.
Wow, Grandma! What a large and pretty beak he has.
That's right, MJ. Now what are they doing with their beaks?
Well, it looks like they're cleaning their feathers.
That's right. Look, now you can see their beak up close.
Wow, it's so big. And what is that yellow part under the beak?
Underneath their beak, they have a yellow sac that is very large. And they can use it to collect...
Lots of fish.
That's right. And they swallow them whole.
Look, Grandma, they're flying. There they go.
That is really a wonderful sight. It's a bit surprising they can fly so well.
Why is it surprising, Grandma?
Well, because pelicans are large and heavy, but they are still excellent flyers and can fly very far.
Very far? Where do they fly, Grandma?
Sometimes they just want to fly to another lake. And sometimes, when winter starts and they get cold,
They travel in large flocks to warmer places.
That's right. You remembered what I told you.
It's a great idea to move to a warm place when it starts getting cold. I want to see if I can still see them, Grandma.
Go ahead.
There they are. Bye-bye, pelicans.
Goodbye.
Grandma, I'm going to miss the pelicans.
Don't worry. They will be back next year. In the meantime, let's call our friends to solve the riddle.
Yes, let's call them.
I'm ready for the riddle.
So here's the riddle. Today, I'd like you to listen
Listen to what?
to this sound. Which animal makes this sound?
That's so loud.
Right. Who makes that loud sound?
Come on, that's such an easy riddle.
If it's so easy, what is the answer?
We don't make that sound. It must be the sound of the cat.
That can't be right. Cats don't sound like that. A cat goes meow, meow.
So who made that sound? Was it me? Maybe that's the sound I make.
That's not what you sound like. You bark.
You're right.
We know. It's a bird. Birds make that sound.
That's the funniest bird I've ever seen.
That's not what a bird sounds like. Birds go tweet, 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 tweet.
So which animal makes that sound?
Which one?
A cow, of course.
Wow, what a big cow!
Of course, I knew it was a cow.
Great! Now we all know which animal goes moo, moo, right?
The cow!
It's time to go home, guys. Thank you for the riddle, Grandma. Goodbye, everyone.
See you soon!
See you soon.